Hey, what's up, tubers? Look, a few days ago, we got the announcement that an application was falling by the wayside, right? It was going down. On the screen right here, you see Cinema HD. This application has been around roughly around 2018 and is getting ready to fall off the face of the earth sometime within the next 30 days or whenever. It's probably already started. Yes, third party applications come and go. We know it. If you've been following me for a while, you know that applications come and go. With this one right here, the developers have called it. They said, listen, we thank everybody for using the app, but this is it. All right. You're going to start seeing links not work because they're not supported anymore. But we done been down this road before, and a lot of people want to know my thoughts on it. And my thoughts is you should, if you've been following me, not anyone that come across my page. If you've been following me, you've been on my live shows, you always hear me say, build your own media library. That way you don't care if a third party application goes down or Cody build goes away. When you build your own media library, which is very, very easy, you control everything. You can watch it in your home and you can watch it outside of your home. You manage everything. And unfortunately, we still have people who depend on third party applications. They depend on Cody Bills. And then that's when someone like myself or others start to get emails saying, what's an alternative? And the alternative could be you just building your own media library. And I know it's better said than physically doing it. And again, if you're on my live shows on Mondays and Fridays, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can get full context on how you can build it. I do demonstrations all the time. Also, I do consultations. That way, none of you are out there dependent on third party applications. Now, unfortunately, this is not the first time again we went through this. Let me name off a few of them that went down. Cartoon HD. Some of y'all remember that. How many of y'all remember Morpheus TV? All right. Newest movies. One Box, Showbox, Zion, Coco, Mobdro. You remember Mobdro? Mobdro was very, very nice. That application was beautiful because it had IPTV inside. You can watch movies, you can watch TV shows, and also it had a little something, something in the background, if you know what I'm talking about. Mobdro was very, very, very nice. And of course, it went down. And last but not least, this is when I really got everyone involved, if you follow me, to build your own, media library. When Terrarium TV went down, before Terrarium went down, I was encouraging people, hey, build your own media library. You never know. And within a year, we got that news just like this. Terrarium TV was going down. Now, of course, they did little forks and things like that, but it wasn't the same because Terrarium TV was just different. It just worked. And when they added like Real-Debrid and all of that, it just made it that much popular. But then when they cut the lights off, they discontinued it. They terminated it. It hurt everybody. I know for sure I received at least 300 emails just on Terrarium TV of people saying, what else can I get? Terrarium was the best. I don't know which way to go. Dale, please help. Dale, please help. And I used to tell people, I told y'all, build your own media library, meaning if you know how to get the content, which is easy, you can actually build it. Or you can rip your own movies. You can rip your own movies and build platforms such as Plex, Envy, Jellyfin. If you're in the network, you can do Kodi. And also, if you're in network, you can use an application like Nova Video Player, which is inside of what? The Google Play Store. So, again, this is a sad day for many of y'all. But again, If you want to learn how to start or if you need a consultation, please come to my live shows, which I conduct on Mondays, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or again, that's when I give all my emails and things like that. That way, you know exactly what you want to do. Stop depending on these third party applications. Stop depending on Cody because you're going to be left in the dark. And again, people, oh, I love Cinema HD or I love Film Plus. Or I love it. One day those applications are going to go down. But guess what? Your Plex, your Jellyfin, your NB, your Nova Video Player will be up because you control the atmosphere. You control it because you have the physical file instead of depending on them to have the physical file. So if you understanding what I'm explaining right now, cool. Thumbs up the video. Let me know. Are you saddened? What if you use one of the mainstream applications, Plex, Jellyfin, MB, let me know in the comments. We don't need to name all the third party applications in the comment area because we don't want to bring visibility to what's out there helping people save money. Okay? Again, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and let me give a big salute to the ones who are sharing the video. I am seeing it. I thank y'all a lot. When I go into my analytics, I'm seeing my videos shared like 20 to 30 times in different platforms. So continue to share this because this can help someone. We don't want anyone left in the dark figuring out what the heck to do. All right. Thanks to God. Thanks to God. Thanks a lot, everyone. I appreciate everyone. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Share your thoughts. What platform are you using? Are you saddened by Cinema Gone? Also, share this video. All right. And also click that bell icon and select allow. That'll help a lot. That way you get notified anytime I release anything on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Salute. And I'm out, guys. Peace out. Peace.